listening in from overseas, what are the implications of this law? That is it actually happening at the moment? Will it happen? You know, and what does it mean for people who are citizens or connected with Mauritius in some way, either through marriage or birth, etc.?
What it means is that since the law came into effect on the 27th of July this year, any Mauritian by birth who's married to a Mauritian who wasn't born here but is a citizen now lives in the insecurity that the non-Mauritian born Mauritian can have their citizenship literally stripped from them, and this on the sole decision in the unique hands of one person, that's the Prime Minister or any future Prime Minister, can come and strip you of your citizenship. And there's no appeal, and he does not even have to give a reason. And so what we're arguing is that this is unconstitutional and against natural justice and against the rule of law and even the separation of powers when there's not the right for the judiciary to hear an appeal. So, but what it means is not so much that we expect that the present Prime Minister or any future Prime Minister is going to immediately be putting people outside of the country, banishing people like a king long ago. We don't really think that, but it means that everybody lives under a slightly fragile, in a slightly fragile situation, and this is not good. And it's not good for democracy because people have to feel free in the place that is their home.
And perhaps it's linked to many other global situations that are occurring, such as in I know that in England they're passing that public order bill. That could very much be also about controlling, having a sense of not being free to say what we want to say.
Yeah, it's true. In lots of ways, people are not free to say what they want to say. And then also we can say that immigration laws are getting more and more tight and strict all over the world, with the right-wing governments coming to power in places like Italy and getting stronger in France, Britain, the USA, and many countries. And so that, yeah, it just adds another layer of repression, we can say.
Thank you.